Gauna Oyoyo is an inscription seen on these posters of the APC governorship candidate Nasir Gawuna in strategic locations within Kano metropolis late Thursday night and early hours of Friday morning to welcome him in the long run if the court case goes his way. Unfortunately, the celebration went the way of the NNPP as jubilant supporters took over the road, leading to the residence of its national leader, Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso. The Conference of Northern Civil Society Networks, through its chairman Ibrahim Waya, says the judiciary has saved Kano State and the North from serious crises by validating the will of the people.
The Supreme Court has done the best they could to save not only Nigerian democracy but also judiciary as well as also the North and the country from imminent conflict and insecurity. I mean, the Supreme Court has asserted the mandate of the people of Kano.
While the Chief of Staff to the Governor of Kano State, Shehu Sagagi, says it is time for more work for the governor, the Kano State Commissioner of Police cautioned against brutal celebration.
He is going to double his efforts as far as the Kano development is concerned, both economically, socially, and what have you. Security-wise, he is very much concerned, and I'm sure even the head of the security, they can testify to that.
The critical area that we wanted the government to focus on is education.
I wish him to continue all his good works, like hospital and school.
The only thing we want to warn members of the public is that they should advise their people not to go on a kind of celebration that will put their life at stake.
After several weeks of battle, the rightful occupant of this house has been ratified by the Supreme Court, and much is expected from the governor in the area of education, infrastructural development, health facility, as well as the welfare of the good people of Kano State. Enemona Ocheme, AIT News, Kano.